Hello and hi to our YouTube channel Aptitude Math Learner. Guys, today we are having a very interesting questions and let's try to solve this question in the most simplest way. So the question which we are having today is when 30% of a number is added to another number, the second number is increased by its 20%. So it is increased by its own 20%. So what is the ratio between the first and the second number? So here we have to find out the ratios between the first and second number. So here, according to the given condition in the question, so it is saying that when 30% of a number is added to another number. So the first thing which we have to take is let the two numbers be that is x and y. So we have just taken the first number, that is x, and the second number y. So when 30% of a number, so this is the first number, so we take here, so you have to understand it, you have to look completely. So the 30%, so this is 30% of the number, so here this is x, is added to another number, so we just add it with the second number. So here this y is the second number, and then the second number is increased, so here is equal to, so the second number, so this is the second number, and this is increased by its, so it is increased by its, so increased by its how much? By 20%. So we just increase it by 20%, the same number. So y is increased by its own 20%. So y plus 20%. So this is 20% of y, and we have just increased it. So now further solving, we try out to solve it. So this is 30% of the number, so this becomes 30 divided by 100. So this is the percentage of x, plus y is equal to y plus, so this is 20%, so 20% here we take, that is 20 divided by 100. So you have to make this clear. So 20% of y. Now further solving it out, we get here, that is, so we cancel this 0 and this 0, and from here as well, and this becomes, that is 3 divided by 10x plus y is this, is equal to y plus 2 divided by 10y. Now 3 divided by 10x plus y is equal to, so this is 10, so we take out the LCM of 10, and this becomes 10y plus 2y. I hope till here you have completely understood the method. So further solving, we get here, that is 3 divided by 10x plus y is equal to 12y divided by 10. Now this is y and this is y, and this becomes further, that is 3 divided by 10x is equal to 12 divided by 10y, and this y goes this side and becomes minus y, and again we take the LCM for this, so this becomes 3 upon 10 x is equal to, so we take the LCM, that is 10, so this 10 cancel, and this becomes 12y minus 10y, and this becomes how much further? That is 3 divided by 10x is equal to, so here we get 2 upon 10y. So 12 minus 10, that is 2. And how much this becomes? This is become 2 ones are and 2 5s are. So we have just cancelled both with each other, and this becomes, that is, so we have to find out the ratio of x and y. So this x ratio y, so we have just taken this y under x to make the ratio, and this becomes that this is 1 upon 5. So 1 upon 5, and this 3 goes, this 3 upon 10 goes this side and it multiplies. So 10 divided by 3. So this has just been multiplied. So here we have just got, that is x ratio y. So this becomes 5 ones are and 5 2s are. So now we have just got x ratio y, that is 2:3. So this is the ratio which has been asked in the question. So you can have a look in the question, that what is the ratio between the first and the second number. So this is the ratio between the first and the second number, and this is our answer. I hope you have completely understood the question. So thank you very much.